Charles Darwin was born in 1809 in Shrewsbury, England. Darwin was rebellious as a child, but very bright. He enjoyed spending most of his time outside, exploring nature and puzzling over its mysteries. In his adult life, Darwin was granted the opportunity to sail to South America, where over the course of 6 years he documented plant and animal life around coastal regions. Darwin later spent 20 years developing his theory of how species can change and evolve into new plant or animal life forms. Darwin was slow to publish any of his findings. However, in 1859 he learned that another naturalist was in the process of introducing arguments similar to his own. It was not until this that Darwin felt obliged to publish his first work, The Origin of Species. Evolutionary theory has been referred to as the principle of survival of the fittest. Evolutionary theory is centered on the importance of the reproductive process through which adaptive capacities are transmitted biologically from one generation to the next. The law of natural selection predicts that, via a specific organism's reproductive success, behavior has been adapted throughout the course of many years to the environment in which it occurs. Fitness refers to reproductive success, and this varies among members of a particular species. Over long periods of time, members of a specific species that have selective advantage are more likely to survive and reproduce, thus passing their characteristics on to future generations. Adaptation is the process by which living things develop new structures and problem-solving abilities that enable them to continue to thrive in a particular environment. This can operate at a biological or behavioral level. Changes in an environment over time, such as disease, an increase in predators, or climate change, can sometimes result in extinction. In other cases, this can result in the formation of a new species. Ethology refers to the study of behavior in a specific habitat. In relation to evolutionary theory, ethologists grew interest in behavior central to a species' survival. These include eating, mating, and protecting a species from harm. Innate behaviors are behaviors that are expressed without previous learning and remain unchanged for the most part by experience. For example, reflexes such as a baby sucking on objects is an innate behavior. Attachment behavior system is a complex set of reflexes and signaling behaviors that prompt caregivers to respond. For example, a baby crying may provoke a sympathetic response from the caregiver. Evolutionary psychology draws upon ideas from evolution to understand the human mind. Evolutionary psychologists believe that the human brain is a physical system that is designed to generate responses that are effective in dealing with information that we receive from our environment. When considering evolutionary psychology, any behavior can be analyzed by asking a few basic questions. What behavior is necessary to achieve a goal? How much energy is needed to achieve a goal? When should the organism stop the activity? What should the organism do next? These questions show that the organism has to realize the nature of the problem and choose the best tool needed to solve the problem. It is no doubt that evolutionary psychology offers a different lens in understanding the complexity of the human mind.